Look how thick the snow is right now. What's up, William? Could you give me a ride, please?
What's up with me?
That way, please. Good? Yep. Thanks for the ride, Chief. Woo, my hands are freezing. Excuse me, sir, you're in a towaway zone.
369.
It's winter again. So I have a conundrum today. I want to finish up as fast as possible so I don't have to deal with driving in the snow when I come back, because my four-wheel drive Jeep doesn't have four-wheel drive anymore, so I need to finish this up early. Is this the line to get those cool bracelets? Oh, sweet. Crank that heat. Luckily, I have my piping hot tea in my Amazon branded thermos. Thank you, Bezos.
Finish loading your routes inside the building. You do not want to come out here to have to finish up.
Hello, warehouse. We'll meet again. I have to pee so bad. 2.
I got 4.
I don't have enough space.
What do you mean? Make space. 4.
They're rolling out. It's getting so stressful now. Later. Be good. Godspeed. As you can tell, when it comes crunch time, when they start blowing those sirens and the vans start rolling out and they scream start your engines, and you still have packages on your cart, this job can get very stressful. Luckily, the snow's not sticking, and even more luckily, my first stop is only 5 minutes from the warehouse. Just like that, I'm at my first stop. Ah, it's nice. Right. Oh, shit. Ah, no one saw that. Hello. Your packages are wet from the snowfall. That's it. Oh, quiet. Okay, these have been here for a while. Here we go, downhill. I should be taking it slow, but I'm not going to. Oh, yes. Training for the Amazon drifting competition, hosted annually at Jeff Bezos' mansion in Key West. Nope. Oh, yep. Oh, man. Nope. That just happened. Yep. That's what I was waiting for. Ow. Yeah, this van is starting to lose its functionality a little bit. Oh, now I gotta do a U-turn? Nope, too far. Why is this road so tiny? Oh, I'm too good at this. Jeez. Woo. We're all good. We're all good. It's getting kind of hard to see right now. There's a windy uphill now. Oh. Come on, you got this. Come on, Van. Come on, Van. Come on, go, 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 go. No, 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 come on. Don't tap out. Don't tap out now. We're almost there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Van. Come on, Van. Come on, Van. Come on. Woo! Come on, Van. Come on, Van. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay. You know what? There's a patch of woods right there. I'm gonna go pee. Whoa. Look at this place. Ouch. Ow. Look how beautiful the woods are in the snow. And it's so quiet too. Woo! All right, I should probably get back to my van. I left it running. Jeez. Well, I'm just a casual guy who stepped out of his van to go walk into the woods during a snowstorm. What is this place? I don't know what I'm supposed to do at this point. I've now abandoned my van. I'm walking along this path here, which I'm not too sure I'm supposed to be on. My feet are frozen, and I am without a chocolate bar. Just gonna leave that there because I can't see a single soul and I feel like I'm in a haunted mansion. Whew. That felt weird. Is my van here? I'm just gonna go ahead and jump this. Ah! So just a few hours later, it's starting to get dark, but check out this sky. I mean, it's not translating well onto the camera, but it stopped snowing kinda, and it's actually quite pretty out. Ah, done.
Was this letter I read?